Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we are going to see an important part of production process, which is forging process, and the two types of forging process, which is hand as well as drop forging. So firstly, I'll talk about hand forging. What is it? It is exactly what forging, but at a controlled temperature and in a controlled environment. But at times you have to increase the temperature, but the material should have plastic deformation. So the plastic deformation takes place at an elevated temperature along with application of pressure. So if I'll take example of a knife which is to be made, material has to be steel or any kind of stuff, but it has to be heated, deformed plastically, like it has to be hammered, or any other machine forging process can take place. It has to be deformed, it has to be flown plastically, but when you're using a hammer, you're also using the pressure. So all the three conditions are satisfied. So unlike hand forging, in which hand is used and small scale objects can be made, you have drop forging, in which a hammer is used, which is quite heavy, and it has to be dropped from a certain distance, and the weight of the hammer would be around 2000 or 20,000 tons. And how the process of drop forging is done? There are two halves of metal. One is up, second is down. The down one has the weight of the up part. The upper part is getting dropped. On the lower part, the material to be forged is being kept on the lower part, and during the downward motion, the material is getting forged properly due to the hammering action of your hammer. So in this diagram, we can see that there is an anvil on which your material is being kept. Also, there is an upper die and lower die to support. Your upper die has your hammer, it drops, and your forging takes place. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and do subscribe our channel Ekeeda.